Hey, what's going on, Pro Cutters? Back at this job where I redid the shower stall and we're doing the complete color change, trim, walls, and ceiling. So the first thing I'm doing is, you can see I've taken down the exhaust fan. I'm getting ready to take off the outlet covers. I've taken down the towel racks. There was a hook on the door, pulled that, pulled the vent, anything to get it out of the way when you're painting will make the job turn out quite a bit nicer. So I'm gonna finish getting everything prepped and then we're gonna start painting. And now the color change is done. I've put some of the hardware back on. I still need to do the trim and the doors. However, I think now that we painted the walls this different color, we're going to need to update the vanity top and paint the vanity base and update the hardware to a brushed nickel to match everything in the shower. We'll see what happens. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe.